Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Snake Clash game on your PC without any emulators. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser to install Google Play Games Beta on your device. Just type in Google Play Games Beta and then begin your search. And now from the first link which says Play Mobile Games on your PC, you can just click on it and you will now find the download button which will let you download the Google Play Games Beta application. Once you have downloaded this file, just open up the installer that you download and you can click through the next button to install the Google Play Games Beta app. Once it is installed, it will open up automatically and you will now be asked to log in to your Google account. You can log in directly using your web browser's signed in Google ID. And once you have logged in, you can now click on the search button to search for your desired game. Just click on the search box and then type in Snake Clash. And once you start your search, you will be able to find this game. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the install button. Click on the install button, and you may also choose to add a desktop shortcut. Click on either one of your desired options, and now the game's download will have been started already. After the download is completed and the game is installed, you will now see the play button. You can click on this to directly launch the app, or you may also search for the game using Windows Spotlight or Windows Search. And now you can just start enjoying this game on your PC without any emulators. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.